Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning about command line arguments. So first up, we're going to discuss what is an argument. Look at the first line over there. The hashtag sh script name sh, that is the first argument, which has a variable $0. $0. That is the first argument, and that's how we identify them using $signs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and upwards. Those are what arguments are. The next argument, this development, is the dev. It shows where you are running it, which is argument number 2, but it's written $1. And the second one is who is running it, which is Luis, which is number 2. The third one is argument number 3, 4, all the way to argument number 10. However, in argument number 10, it will be $11. Now, sudo yum install tree nano wget -y dev and Luis. These are all different arguments that we can use to These are all different arguments that we could use for specifying where we're running it, who's running it, and what we need. Now, let's say if we want to create a shell scripting file that identifies and counts how many arguments you've inputted. So we'll first do touch arguments.sh. And first, you write all these groups of commands in Sublime Text or Word document. Then you're going to echo, please enter 3 arguments. Once you've entered 3 arguments, it will say the first argument is $1, the second argument is $2, the 10th argument is $10 if you've included a 10th argument. And if the numbers, and echo the number of arguments is $, and the hashtag that tells us the highest level of arguments that there is. And the list of arguments are $at. Echo the list of arguments is $*. Then copy the script above and vi into argument.sh and escape shift zz to save and quit and sh arguments.sh. Seems simple enough. Then let's go ahead and do it. Now let's go ahead and practice this in Mobile Extern. Now inside Mobile Extern, what we're going to do is clear our screen. Clear. And let's touch arguments.sh. Inside, we're going to write all these, copy down all these codes and vi into arguments.sh. Now shift ZZ. Now what we're going to do is sh arguments, and if we remember correctly, it told us to please enter 3 arguments. So sh arguments sh, then we're going to do dev, and the person is running it. That means there are 3 arguments. The first argument is dev because that's argument 1. Argument 0 is sh arguments.sh. Second one is Luis, and the 10th argument is it's empty because we don't have a 10th argument. The number of arguments are 2. The list of arguments are dev and Luis, and those arguments are dev and Luis. So now that we're done with all of this, hopefully you understood what today's video is all about. And make sure you like and subscribe and share this video with those who know are struggling with this concept. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.